Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Rafi Munandar with number BP 2110932047. Okay, here I make a video for my last assignment as a final project of English class with my docent is Aceh Permata. Okay, I want to tell you about skimming and scanning. First, what is skimming? Skimming is a high-speed reading technique. Two four important things are the main idea for a reading. This technique is very useful because we only need to read in passing and fast, but get an overall and get impression of the reading. Skimming will help you find information quickly while ensure you use your time wisely. It will also increase the amount of material that can be presented. Then what is scanning? Scanning is one of the comprehensive technique that one the ability to quickly read the entirety of the reading material. This technique applies a ways of speed reading to get information without reading others. The material used for scanning is usually organized in the following ways: alphabetical, chronological, non-alphabetical, by category, or textual. Alphabetical information is arranged in order from A until Z, while chronological information is arranged in time or numerical order. Learning to use your hand while scanning is very helpful in finding specific information. Then why should you using scanning? For example, in everyday life, you can use scanning to search for phone numbers, search for words in the dictionary, search for television show, and share travel listings. And then the way you will easily find out if the reading contains the information you want. How skimming and scanning works? How skimming works? Skimming reading steps by steps. First, make a question about what we are going to look from a book. And then browse the table of contents or the preface, whether the information we need is there. Attentively browse at a high speed through a paragraph or subsection you face. And then stop when you feel like you're finding that you're looking for. Then the final step, read at a normal pace and understand well what you are looking for. By reading the first few paragraphs detail, you will get the main idea or topic sentence from what information is covered. Once you know where their main idea lies, at the end of each sentence of the topic, your eyes should drop down through the rest of the paragraph, looking for important information such as name, dates, or even continue to read only the topic sentence. Continue reading the rest of the paragraph until you are nearing the end of or conclusion. If during skimming you feel that you found the main idea of the paragraph, then you have done the skimming correctly. And then how scanning work? Scanning work is by first take a quick look at the table of contents and preface, then briefly review the background of writing the book, and then read the introduction section in the source section. Then search in the table of content of the important chapter, and then read the conclusion section, if any. If not, you are to the next step. See at a glance the bibliography, index list, or appendix. And final step is learning to use your hand. While scanning is very helpful in finding specific information. The difference between skimming and scanning. Skimming reading technique mean reading something at a relatively faster pace without having to read more deeply. This knowing the idea of what the job actually is. On the contrary, the scanning reading technique implies a reading technique in which a person look at document so as to be able to find the specific information contained in the written material. So the clear difference between the two lies in the purpose of each. And then some of benefit of skimming and scanning. First, you be able to find the special information needed from a reading text or book quickly and efficiently. And next, able to browse many pages of the book in such a short time. It's not too much of a waste of time looking for something you want from a book, especially action that done for the search for that information. Okay, maybe that's material of skimming and scanning. If I got some faults, I want to say sorry and thanks for the time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.